everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in this video I will be covering the global health issues. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Considering the fact that the world is facing the pandemic, so I thought this topic is very important, global health issues, and I must cover this in my video. So let's see what this topic holds. Striking feature of state of global health is that there are large inequalities in health outcomes and the opportunities for the health. For example, the life expectancy can vary a great deal. The person born in Japan can expect to live for 80 years and that in Syria for the 40 years. Regarding the malaria, you can see that has been like almost eradicated in high income countries, that is the developed countries, but it is still alarming for the people in developing countries. The global burden of disease is by no means evenly spread, nor does the workforce capability corresponds within the area of high needs, meaning thereby where there is a need to contain the disease. There is no workforce capability, there is no or hardly the workforce is available there. Many of the countries they suffer from the greatest burden of the disease and have the skilled healthcare workers. Pharmaceutical companies basically they don't send their R&D budgets to match to the needs, rather seeking the most profitable ventures they spend the in developing countries. So basically what they are doing, they are making a similar drugs that is already available rather than developing the treatments for the disease for which there is no cure. So poor and developing countries are more vulnerable to the diseases because of the poor living conditions, because of the poverty, due to the lack of clean water, lack of nutrition, and other social detriment. So the question here is that how this responsibility for improving the situation be allocated? WTO for like 20 years period, for which they render the new medicine unaffordable by majority of the countries which is like in greatest need. So to address this problem, like many proposals have been made. For example, this health impact fund which has been proposed by Thomas Pogge. This is like an alternative way to reward the pharmaceutical company as per the impact. The greater the impact, the greater the share. So, overall, the objective is to create the important incentives for the key players to care about how their products affect the global poor. There are like other issues of global health also. Experimentation on the disadvantaged developing countries, or you can say the clinical research on the developing countries population, that is the drug trial on the developing countries population. Big threat. Why it is a big threat? See, basically जो trial के outcomes होंगे, it might be positive, it might be negative. So in case of positive, then it is fine. When it is negative, then it is going to like affect the health of that particular person on whom the drug trial has been conducted. So this is the issue here. So where is the accountability? Who is going to be like held liable for it? तो ये सारे issues आते हैं हमारे इसमें. Now the another issue is that new infectious diseases and the threat of pandemic they are creating the questions of accountability and the responsibility. We all have witnessed this in COVID-19. As we know that WHO is there. Okay, fine. WHO तो है World Health Organization. We have WHO, but सबको पता है that this was all done by China. But क्या चाइना कहीं भी लाइबल हेल्ड हुआ? नहीं, कहीं पे भी नहीं हुआ. सो दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम है. तो ग्लोबल जस्टिस तो मिल ही नहीं पाया विक्टिम्स को. सो वेयर इज़ दैट अकाउंटेबिलिटी फैक्टर लाइज. तो यहाँ पे सारी प्रॉब्लम्स इसी चीज़ की होती है कि इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. एक ग्लोबल गवर्नेंस प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि एक नॉर्म्स इंस्टीट्यूशंस होने चाहिए ना, लेजिटिमेसी होनी चाहिए और वो लेजिटिमेसी है नहीं. सो कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट, एक आपका इबोला आउटब्रेक भी हुआ था वेस्ट अफ्रीका में. सो द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट वी ought टू डू टू हेल्प द victims है. Basically, the mandate which was used to be issued by the developing countries that has been waived off up to some point. So guys, that's it on global health issues from my side. Now you know how to approach with this particular topic, so you can substantiate your answer as per your need. But do keep in mind, don't keep on writing about COVID-19 only. इस टॉपिक में सिर्फ कोविड-19 नहीं मेंशन कर रहे हैं। इट्स लाइक अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ग्लोबल गवर्नेंस, global health issues, global inequalities related to the health, developing countries, developed countries और various diseases. So इस तरीके से यहाँ पे अप्रोच करना है. So guys, we'll see you all in my next video. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel Law Classes by Shivani. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night.